Hey guys, welcome back to Calculus Universalis, and today we're going to be learning inverse trig functions and how to take their derivatives. So let's get right into it. So we're going to have 6 total inverse trigonometric functions that we're able to derive. So the first one's going to be sine inverse of x. And now, basically you're just going to have to memorize each of these formulas, and I will teach you how to do that the most easiest way. So this right here is 1 over square root 1 minus x squared, and this is your derivative of sine of x. And then cosine of x is going to be the same thing, but it's going to be a big negative on there. And then lots of these are opposites of each other in that they're negatives of each other, like tan and cotangent. So tan inverse of x is going to be negative 1, positive 1 over 1 plus x squared, and then its opposite, cotangent inverse of x, is the negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. So that's an easy way to memorize these. You know, the two pairs, sine and cosine, tangent and cotangent, are negatives of each other. And then we're going to go down here, and then lastly we're going to have secant and cosecant. Once again, these are pairs of each other, so we have secant is equal to 1 over, now we have an absolute value. Now these are rarely tested on the AP exam, but it's still important to know so that you know the proper formulas for each. And then you guessed it, cosecant is going to be this, but negative. Alright, now we're going to do a couple example problems where we're going to have to incorporate the chain rule, and let's get some practice in here. Oh. Okay, so firstly, our first example is going to be cosine inverse of 5x squared. And I can go ahead, pause the video, and try it. Alright, so f prime of x is going to be equal to negative 1, right, over square root of 1 minus, and then our inside of the function, basically squared. So this is going to be equal to x, right? And this is going to get plugged right into there, so it's going to be 5x squared, and then we always have to incorporate our chain rule. So the derivative of 5x squared is 10x, so we're going to multiply this whole thing by 10x, and our final answer is going to be negative 10x over square root 1 minus 25x to the 4th. And that is our answer. So it is really simple. You just make sure to keep your chain rule going. You take your derivative and multiply by chain rule. Plug in the inside of the function, x, for the x value, and that is how you take the derivative of an inverse trigonometric function. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe and comment if you found this video helpful. Calculus Universalis out.